When I started MathTV.com and XYZ textbooks, one of my goals was to see if I could do something about the rising price of textbooks in developmental mathematics. So one of the first things we did was offer our own textbooks at reasonable prices. But I want to show you a couple of graphs so you can see that we've had an effect on some of the prices of other textbooks as well. Let's take a look. So here's our view of the traditional MathTV and open source publishing industry, the current state of the publishing industry, and I've done some pricing right here. Over time, open source stays about the same at $0. The ebooks at MathTV right now $30, the print books $58 and $68, and then traditional publishers, generally their prices are rising if there's no MathTV XYZ textbooks involved. But we've had a couple of situations now where one of our books has gotten into the final group of books that a school is looking at, where they have a lot of sections of, say, elementary algebra, intermediate algebra. An interesting thing happens when we get in that final mix. So here's a look at that. Over time, open source stays the same, MathTV prices stay the same, but traditional publishers start dropping their prices when you end up with a MathTV XYZ textbook book in that final group of books that they're looking at. So this has happened a couple of times. We have friends at some of those schools and they've told us about it. So we're very pleased about this, that we're having an effect not just on the books that we offer, but on other books that are offered at the same time. So if you like this view of things right here, one of the things you should consider doing is supporting XYZ textbooks. When we're in the mix like this, everybody starts considering prices. When we're out of the mix, when people aren't looking at our books, prices for traditional publishers continues to rise. So if you like what we're doing here, think about supporting us by adopting one of our books.